What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I want to talk about two important metrics which is on YouTube. Now after your channel has got monetized, you will see these two metrics on your YouTube studio, which is RPM and CPM. So in this video I'm going to explain to you guys what is RPM, what is CPM, and what is the difference and how you can increase them. I'll put in this video description timestamp in which you can go over to any specific details in which you want. So for now, I'm just gonna explain what is CPM. Now CPM stands for cost per milli, which is the amount of money the advertiser are willing to pay for every 1,000 ads impression that is shown on your YouTube channel. So you will see different CPM metric on YouTube based on the different types of videos that you publish on your videos. On the other hand, RPM is the cost per milli, and it represents how much money you earn depending on every 1,000 views, which is ad views that is shown on your channel. And it also varies, depends again on the type of content that you produce. Now what's the difference between RPM and CPM? Now let me break it down a bit further. CPM is the amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay to show ads on your videos. Now RPM is the amount of money you get after YouTube have take out their cut. So in my YouTube studio, you can see right there, the advertisers are willing to pay $9.86 to show ads on my channel for every 1,000 views, and I have received $3.69 of RPM. That's the amount of money that I take home after YouTube have get their cut. Now also I'm gonna show you guys how you can increase your RPM. But first, you have to increase your CPM before you can increase your RPM, which makes sense because the more money advertisers are willing to pay, the more cut that you get from YouTube. So let me explain now how you can increase your CPM. Now to increase your CPM, you have to make videos that advertisers are willing to pay more money to show their ads on. Now there are a lot of content on YouTube. So specifically, you have to niche your content in a unique way that advertisers are willing to pay more money on those type of content. Now there are several different niche on YouTube. Now one of the biggest niche on YouTube is talking about making money online. So if you realize that you're doing videos in those type of content, in those type of specific niche, making money online, investment and those type of things, advertisers are willing to pay more bucks onto those content because they realize that person who are watching those content are willing to make money online. So advertisers are basically selling their courses, selling their online business, and those things actually go towards those type of people. So you realize that those type of content will actually have a higher CPM, which also gonna generate more RPM for you, which is gonna generate more revenue. So to increase your CPM, you have to make videos that advertisers are willing to pay more money to put their content in front of those type of audience. So for example, let's say I'm doing a content on entertainment. Now person who are watching those entertainment category are videos in such as the entertainment, probably vlogs. Advertiser, you realize that the CPM on those videos are basically kind of low. But the thing about those type of videos, they get higher views. But advertisers are not necessarily willing to pay as much money on those type of content because they don't know the specific type of person who are watching those videos. Versus if you're talking about making money online, advertisers know that these type of person are interested in those type of content, so they will spend more money to put their ads on those type of content because they're talking about a specific niche or a specific topic, so they can reach and be in front of those type of audience. So one important thing is that you have to niche your content and make videos that advertisers are willing to pay. That's how you can increase your CPM. Now let us talk about RPM now, which is the most important factor because that's where you get paid. That's the money that you take home. Now RPM varies between publisher and depending on a variety of factors such as niche, traffic quality, demographic, traffic location, and those type of things. So your RPM based on those factors, depending on where the person are watching your videos from, depending on the topic of your video, the niche of your video, determine how much money you take home from YouTube. Now let us break it down for you guys. Such as niche. Niching is very important because you are dealing with a specific audience and advertisers sees that as an opportunity to put your content in front of those specific people. Also, you have to look at the demography. Now, if you look at countries such as USA and those type of countries, probably UK, Canada, and all those popular countries, you realize that if your viewers are from those type of country, you will get a higher RPM because those advertisers are willing to pay money to get their content in front of those type of people. So first, you have to look at your demography, which is the location or traffic source in which your viewers are coming from. For example, I'm living in the country of Jamaica, and when I check my revenue, I realize that the RPM in Jamaica is approximately like $2. When I check like UK and USA, the RPM is a much higher because those demographics are willing to pay more money to publish ads and those type of content that serve in those countries. So next thing that guys is to consider to increase your RPM is to get your videos in different countries that willing to pay more money, which is basically simple. All you have to do is to check your YouTube channel to see where the traffic source are coming from and create more of those videos so you can reach those type of audience. Now your RPM can be calculated by your estimated earnings divided by number of page views multiplied by 1,000. That's the way you can calculate your RPM. Now another proven ways in which you can increase your RPM is to look on your YouTube studio to see what type of videos are getting you the most views and what type of video are getting you the most RPM. So you can create more of those content so that you can increase your RPM and increase your earnings. So what I did is to check on my YouTube channel, my YouTube studio, to see the type of videos which bring me the highest RPM and the highest CPM. So I can increase that and create more of those content. Now as you guys can see right here, this is one of my videos that I did several months back now. And this video is basically YouTube partner program, how I got my channel monetized. Unfortunately, this video is not getting so much views, but if you look at the CPM on this video is $109, which is crazy high CPM on this video. Mainly because in this video I'm talking about how I got my channel monetized. Basically, advertisers are looking at this content and realize that person who are interested to watch this video are person who interested to make money online, so that advertisers see this as an advantage to run ads on this video, which will pay a high CPM to actually get their business in front of these type of audience who interested into making money online. Now the advertiser who are running ads on these type of video, so let me just play this video right now, let you guys see the type of advertiser who are playing ads on this video.
Create, manage, and grow your business with Wix.com. Your website is the core of your business.
As you guys can see, this video right here, YouTube partner program, how to get my channel monetized, you realize that this ad right here is a Wix ad. So this basically they are selling their website to people who want to making money from online business and things like that. So you realize that these type of video guys gonna bring you higher CPM on your videos and higher revenue. So if you create more of this content talking about money online and things like that, this video is prone to get you more higher CPM and get you more money. And as I go back right here, you realize that this video is not getting so much views, but if you do the maths, you can realize that by getting these very low views on this video, you can also get more money from these videos, even though they're not getting so much views. But the CPM on this video guys are really high, and you can actually make money from this video. And also things that you should consider also is to create videos that are longer than 8 minutes. Videos longer than 8 minutes also gonna increase your RPM and increase the amount of ad shown on your videos, which also gonna increase your RPM so you can get more ads revenue from YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys understand the difference between RPM and CPM so you can increase your ads revenue. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and if you guys want me to share more information on these type of things, let me know in the comment section so I can give you guys more of this video. So guys, thanks for watching, and remember to smash a like button, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.